Welcome to this lesson on using content row. In this lesson, you're introduced to content row. You also learn how to use the content row in a classic report. So what is a content row? Content row is a classic report template that is suitable for displaying most types of content. This report features a column for selection, such as a checkbox or radio button, an icon, title and description, miscellaneous attributes and actions. On the screen, you can see the attributes available to customize a content row using the column names in the SQL query. Substituting these attributes with column names will customize the classic report into a content row type. Let us look at a demo. To demonstrate content row, I am going to create a new page in my demo app. So I click on Create Page, and here I select the type as content row. I provide a name and click on Create Page. So when I create a page of type content row, it gives me a content row demo region with some sample SQL query. So before we make some edits, let's see how the page looks. Here you can see that I have a region with some sample dummy text. So we can edit this region by editing the page attributes. Let's go back to the page designer. And here, I'm going to change the source and select the type as table. And here, I'm going to select the M table that we have from the sample dataset. So once I have the source selected, I switch to the attributes tab in the property editor. And here, I can enter value for each of these attributes so that it displays the associated values. So let's say I have these columns from the table. And so based on the attribute value I provide, it's going to display in this UI template as shown. Alright, so for overline, I'm going to enter the job. And for title, I'm going to enter the employee name. And for description, I'm just going to have the hire date. There are many more attributes where you can display the avatar, badge, and so on. So let's enable display avatar. And you can even customize the avatar as per your requirements. I'm going to choose the default type as icon, but you can also have your custom image uploaded. And here, I can change it to circular. So let's see how it looks. I'm going to run the page. As you can see, the employees' details are being displayed as content row instead of a boring classic report. In this demo, I just showed you one example of creating a content row by creating a content row page, but you can also modify your existing classic report by changing the classic report region type to content row. So this is a very effective way to customize your classic report and make it more beautiful. In this lesson, you were introduced to content row in Apex. You saw how to enhance your classic report using content row to display the report in a customized manner. I hope you learned something useful. Thank you for watching.